divide 435 by 2 in long division method. 2 times 2 is 4. On subtracting, it is 0. We put down this 3 and remove 0. 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting, it is 1. Again put down this 5 and it is 15. 2 times 7 is 14. On subtracting, it is 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting, it is 0. So 435 divided by 2 is 217 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.